Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss about regarding CMOS logic families with its features. Okay, CMOS logic families with its features. Okay, first of all, CMOS is a trending technology now. Okay, CMOS is a trending technology and it is the most widely used technology. Okay, it is most widely used technology. So large scale ICs, okay, large scale ICs and microprocessors are implemented by MOS technologies. Okay, so in case of VLSI study, you study about that. Okay, large scale ICs and microprocessors are implemented by MOS technology, that is CMOS technology. The advantage of TTL over CMOS are faster switching speeds and a greater selection of device types, but CMOS has the advantage of much lower power dissipation. Okay, the advantage of TTL over CMOS is faster switching speed and a greater selection of the device types, but the CMOS has the advantage of much lower dissipation, much lower power dissipation. Okay, so as the technology has progressed, okay, as the technology has progressed, the switching speeds of the CMOS have been improved. Okay, and it has low power dissipation compared to the TTL. Okay, CMOS has low power dissipation compared to the TTL. Okay, that is regarding CMOS. Okay, CMOS is trending technology now and it is most widely used. Okay, and these can be used in large scale ICs and microprocessors, right? And the advantage of TTL over CMOS is faster switching speed and a greater selection of the device types, but CMOS has the advantage of lower power dissipation. Okay, it takes low power dissipation, right? So as the technology progressed, the switching speeds of the CMOS have been improved and it has low power dissipation. Okay, that is regarding CMOS. And next we see CMOS series. Okay, CMOS series. So depending on the DC voltage supply, okay, depending on the DC voltage supply to the CMOS, these are classified into two categories. Okay, one is the 5 volts and another one is the 3.3 volts. Okay, one is 5 volt series and another one is 5 volt series, another one is 3.3 volts, right? So these categories, okay, these two categories are used in CMOS series, right? The recent version of CMOS is 3.3 volts. Okay, the recent version of CMOS series is 3.3 volts and is the result of an effort to reduce the power dissipation. Okay, and is the result of an effort to reduce the power dissipation. But whereas if you see this 5 volts, it takes a 5 volts power supply, but recent version is 3.3 volts, right? So that means that power dissipation is reduced. Okay, the power dissipation is directly proportional to the square of the voltage. Okay, the power dissipation is directly proportional to the square of the voltage. That is, a reduction from 5 volt to 3.3 volts cuts the power by 34%. Okay, the power dissipation, that is 5 volts to 3.3 volts, cuts the power by 34%, right? And remaining factors are same. Okay, so depending on the power supply voltage, several series of CMOS logic gates are available. Okay, depending upon the supply voltage, several series of CMOS logic gates are available. The CMOS logic family is available with the prefix. Okay, CMOS logic families are available with the prefix 74 or 54. Okay, 74 or 54. Okay, so the commercial grade for general use, the commercial grade for general use is to be indicated by the 74 prefix. Okay, and military grade for more severe environments is indicated by prefix 54. Commercial grade can be indicated by 74 and military grade are indicated by prefix 54. Okay, now we see the different categories of CMOS, right? So first one, 5 volts category. Okay, 5 volts category. So in this one, 74HC. Okay, 74HC is the high speed CMOS family. Okay, it is a high speed CMOS family, that is 74HC. H indicates high speed, C indicates CMOS here, right? And next one, 74HCT. Okay, it is the high speed CMOS TTL compatibility. Okay, T indicates TTL compatibility here, right? And 74AC and 74ACT, right? Those are the advanced CMOS technologies, right? So here T indicates TTL compatibility. Okay, and 74AHC and 74AHCT are the advanced high speed CMOS, right? So all these are the 5 volts categories. Okay, so it can take the 5 volts power supply, right? So all these are the 5 volts categories of CMOS, right? And next one, 3.3 volts category. So in 3.3 volts we are having, so here we are having CMOS series. So first one, 74 LV, 74 LV, that is 74 LV is the low voltage CMOS. Okay, low voltage CMOS, right? And here 74 LVC, it is the low voltage CMOS. Okay, low voltage CMOS. And 74 ALVC, 74 ALVC, that is advanced low voltage CMOS, advanced low voltage CMOS. So these type of series are available in 3.3 volts category. Okay, these type of series are available in 3.3 volts category, and all these are 5 volts category series. And one more series is there, 40XX series. Okay, there is 4000 series. So it is also available, but it is the old version of the CMOS. Okay, it is the old version of the CMOS. The drawback with this CMOS series is low speed. The drawback with this CMOS series is low speed. So these are in limited use. Okay, it's because of this low speed, these are in limited use. The combination of both CMOS and TTL are called BiCMOS. Okay, the combination of both CMOS and TTL are called as BiCMOS. Okay, so first one, if you see the first one, 74 BCT, 74 BCT, that is BiCMOS series. Okay, 74 BiCMOS series. Next one, 74 ABT, advanced BiCMOS, right? And 74 LVT is the low voltage BiCMOS, low voltage BiCMOS. Okay, and last one, 74 ALB, that is advanced low voltage BiCMOS series, right? So these are the series in BiCMOS. So if you take the first one, 74 BCT, that is BiCMOS, and 74 ABT, advanced BiCMOS, 74 LVT, low voltage BiCMOS, and 74 ALB, advanced low voltage BiCMOS. Okay, so all these are the BiCMOS series, right? So take the first one. So these are the 5 volts categories, right? 74HC, 74HCT, 74AC, 74ACT, and 74AHC and 74AHCT. All these are the categories, right? 5 volts category, and these are 3.3 volts category. So here 40XX series is having disadvantage of low speed. Okay, so it is limited use. Okay, these are in limited use, right? And last one, BiCMOS, 74 BCT, 74 ABT, 74 LVT, 74 ALB. So all these are the series. Okay, IC series, right? So 5 volts, 3.3 volts, and then BiCMOS. Here BiCMOS indicates it is the combination of both CMOS and then TTL families, right? CMOS and TTL families, right? So all these are the series, right? So different kinds of IC series, right? So these are the CMOS logic families with its features. So we have seen different kinds of CMOS families here and with features, right? So there is a today class. Okay, so all these are the CMOS logic families with its features. Okay, that's a thing. Okay, thank you all. Thank you.